Hello, hello, hello! Facial. Anti-aging facial moisturizer. Now, what is an anti-aging facial moisturizer? It is a moisturizer that contains ingredients that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boosts collagen and elastin. But it does not stop there. An anti-aging moisturizer also helps to tighten the skin, also help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, help to get rid of dull skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to make an anti-aging moisturizer, and I'm going to use ingredients that are rich in the essential vitamins and minerals that you need for the aging skin. This anti-aging moisturizer is rich in vitamin A, and vitamin A acts on the skin like retinol. It helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, but it also helps to clear like acne and scars on the skin. I'm also going to be using some vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to brighten the skin, clear hyperpigmentation, and also reduce wrinkles and fine lines. I'm going to be using some electrolytes, which are considered potassium and sodium. These are going to help to lock moisture in the skin and prevent water from escaping. And a combination of these ingredients is going to keep the skin looking fresher, looking younger for longer. So if you're interested to see how I make this anti-aging moisturizer, continue watching the video. Now please remember to watch the video to the end and let me know what other ingredient would you add to this moisturizer. Not only that, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe right now. Just hit that subscribe button so that each time I post a video, you get a notification right away. We also have our own skincare line, Khichi Beauty Skincare, and this you can find on our website, ALESMAXii. Guess what? You don't even have to go there. Just look at this little handbag right here. We are going to list the products we're using in this video, plus some more products from the Khichi Beauty Skincare collection. So click on it, browse around, treat yourself to something. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. My first ingredient is going to be aloe vera oil, which is rich in antioxidant that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. For this oil, I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil. We're pouring this in, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera oil, a very light oil that is good for all skin type. And look how it just blend in the skin. Not going to clog your pores, but going to seep right into that skin and keep it fully moisturized. Now, once we have our aloe vera oil, my next oil is going to be some apricot oil. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. A perfect oil to use on all skin type for reducing wrinkles and fine lines and boosting collagen and elastin. I'm also going to be using 1 teaspoon of the apricot oil. Now once this is done, here we have our 2 oils. We have apricot oil and aloe vera oil, and we're blending the 2 oils together, and we are blending well. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for some aloe vera gel, and aloe vera gel is rich in minerals and vitamins that protect the skin, get rid of dull skin, get rid of hyperpigmentation, but also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel, and we are going to blend this in the 2 oils that we already have in our bowl, and we are mixing well. Totally blend the 3 ingredients together. Now once this is done, guys, we are going to continue. We're going to reach for another oil, and this time we're going to reach for some castor oil. We're using black castor oil today. It's a very strong oil that is rich in rinsolic acid, or oil that you can use on the skin to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, to smooth the skin. Not only that, it's an oil that you can use on stretch marks. You can use it all over your body, but you need to dilute it since it's such a strong oil. So we're using about a half a teaspoon of the black castor oil, and we're adding this to the bowl. And now we're going to blend it in. If you do not have black castor oil, go ahead and use the castor oil that you have. And we're mixing this in, and we are mixing it well. We're making an anti-aging facial moisturizer that can use on your face, your neck, your décolleté, and your entire body. A moisturizer that is also good for stretch marks. So here we have the moisturizer, and we're going to top this up with one final ingredient. It's an optional ingredient. If you have it, use it. If you do not have it, you can leave it out. And this is some vegetable glycerin. It helps to hydrate the skin. It's good for rough, dry skin, and it also is used in many cosmetic products. This vegetable glycerin is easily soluble in water, making it suitable for all your favorite DIY products. So here we have the vegetable glycerin, and you do not need a lot of this, just about a half a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin, and we're pouring this in, and we are gonna mix, and we are mixing well. An amazing facial moisturizer that you can use on your face, your neck, your décolleté, and your entire body. So now that we blend our moisturizer and we blend well, what we're going to do now, we are going to pour it in a jar. But take a look at this, guy, and let me show you something really quick. I'm just going to dab a little bit on my hand. And what I like about this is that it is water-based because we use the aloe vera. And when you apply it on the skin, your skin is just going to drink this up. It's not going to clog your pores. It's just going to seep right into that dermis while it is reducing the wrinkles and fine lines, boosting collagen and elastin, hydrates in the skin and making your skin look healthy, leaving the skin with a natural glow. Now take a look, guys. You can see the big difference. I did not use it on this hand. I use it on this one, and take a look. It's obvious, guys, how this just have my skin looking supple. Now let's pour this in a small jar. Make sure to sterilize your jars. You can just add them to hot water. And take a look. Here it is, your anti-aging facial mask. And there it is, guys, a simple but a very, and here it is your DIY moisturizer with castor oil, aloe vera gel. And take a look, guys, here it is, this moisturizer. You can use it on your skin, and here it is, guys, a simple moisturizer that you can use on your skin. Go ahead and use 2 to 3 drops AM and PM on your skin to soften, to smooth, to clear hyperpigmentation. Also, guys, if you have stretch marks, you can go ahead and massage this on your skin. No need to store this in the refrigerator. You can go ahead and store it on your countertop. And there you have it, a simple but a very effective moisturizer that anyone can whip up at home. Don't forget to add your favorite oils like rosehip seed oil, papaya seed oil, or any other oils that you have at home to this mixture. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, why not subscribe? I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.